Yo, what's up guys? This is another GT-R video, not about this one today. With that being said, we already know I did the A-pillars. Right now I am grinding the metal on the outside of the A-pillars and getting it ready for custom A-pillar covers. So I'll upload a quick video and you'll see, or a quick picture, I'm sorry, and you're gonna see basically what the A-pillar covers are gonna look like before I put them on. So here's the quick picture. As you guys saw, these are the templates I cut out. It's kind of made of USPS freaking stuff, but that's okay. The reason I did it like that was so it'd be easy to shape, and when I put it back together, if I don't like the way the metal ones look that I'm currently putting on right now, this is for the lower portion of the A-pillar. If I don't like the way it looks, then I can just create a fiberglass mold and make it bolt on. So either way, we're getting it done. If I didn't tell y'all already, I am not happy at how I blended the roof portion. So I'm having the guy who did my quarter panels on the earlier video, he's gonna come out and he's gonna do the roof as well, and he's gonna do the A-pillars, and he's going to do the fenders as well, and they're gonna be blended, one whole fender, you won't be able to tell. So all that's gonna be done, and then as soon as that's done, I'm gonna start interior welding, finish that up, finish the welding beyond the bumper, and get this thing ready for paint, guys. So yeah, super exciting. I'm gonna start welding on some A-pillar covers, and hopefully it looks the way I want it to look. If not, I'm gonna grind it down here. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. All right, hey, what's up guys? I was doing a lot of behind the scenes by myself, but that is the A-pillar like kind of on. It's only welded really on the top portion, just kind of tack welded, holding it in place for the cover. Also, this part's sticking out right here a little bit. It would be pushed in. All you do is push it in like that, and as soon as you push it in, it'll be flush like that. So yeah, I still gotta grind down all these ugly welds and whatever, but this is what the A-pillar cover is going to look like. I'm just gonna push it in and tack that in place and bend some of that crap in right there. But this is sitting really good where I want it at on this side. The only thing I realize I need to do now is once it's kind of locked all the way in, I guess, on this side, it's a little short right here, so I need to basically fill in this gap right here, so which isn't too crazy. All right guys, that's pretty much the end of this video for today, at least. Yeah, this was one side completely not completely done, but like 90% there. The only thing I'm gonna finish off is add some more structural tack welds for the cover, and then I'm just going to create a piece that will close that little gap just right there. It should be pretty easy. I'll bend it. That's my wife. Hi, Snackums. Bend this piece up just a little more, and after I bend that piece up, I'll create a little piece to fit into that little gap, and then yeah, that should be pretty easy. So yeah, that's it. And these are also the fenders, guys. So how they have the extension on there, or I extended it. He's also going to be primering those and blend it so that way it looks completely OEM, like one piece and everything on both fenders. And then basically after all that's done, the body is ready for paint. So the body will be ready for paint, which is the goal. As far as interior goes, I have some interior, just got to do some small welding on the interior of the car, and other than that, we're really close to getting this thing like ready to drive and stuff. So yeah. As you can see, this piece right, these things are shiny, but this piece right here is the passenger side top A-pillar cover. I think it's shiny, look at that. Whoa. This is the top A-pillar cover, and then this one right here is the bottom A-pillar cover as it connects on like this and makes its way downward as you bend it. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. Let's go to the other side and test fit, and hopefully get everything mocked up and welded in place. All right, hey, what's up, guys? I currently got the new top A-pillar piece on, and right now I am going to start adding on the bottom piece that's right here. I'm placing it kind of like just where it runs along, basically right here. All right, guys, this is pretty much the end of this video, but I got this A-pillar on and the other A-pillar on as well. Basically what I'll be doing next is I have a little gap right there. I'm gonna be creating a little block off plate and make it flush with the window sill, and basically I'll make this portion flush as well. Not really worried about complete flushness down with this portion. This portion will be like the metal that I'm going to be using as the internal, using as a mounting part for the gasket. But yeah, we're pretty much where I want it to be, guys. So, but as for now, and this is what the A-pillar covers on, and it looks so much better than it did before. It's really dark, so I'm sorry about that, but I'll show you guys a better look. All right, hey, what's up, YouTube? Back to the video. I just pulled the fender out here to kind of mock it up to see how it's gonna look. But yeah, these will be the metal A-pillar covers, and they're kind of permanent covers, really. And then cool thing in the future, if I want to, I have the molding, so I can do a fiberglass portion if I want to. But yeah, as for now, that's how this one sits. I'm gonna start bending it in a little bit, getting it where it needs to be at, and adding that patch panel. And then basically after I add that on, I'll probably add the fenders back on as well, just to see what the look will look like. So let's get it. All right, what's up, YouTube? I kind of just threw this all together. The fender is not bolted on at all, but if you use your vision, that's kind of what it will look like. I don't have a lot of time. We have to go celebrate 4th of July stuff with family, but I tried to get as much done. I was able to get both sides done, both A-pillars on. And as you see, there's a little gap over the windshield right there, or I'm sorry, windshield, freaking the window right here. There's a little gap right there. I have little pieces like this, basically these are going to be fill panels for that, and it's going to make it flush with the window. And then essentially I'll drill into that, and then I'll leave little holes and crap, and the holes will be for when I run a rubber gasket all the way around it. But yeah, just use your imagination, guys. That's kind of what it looks like. G37R. And then obviously the roof is going to be professionally sanded and primered and molded, and the A-pillars are going to be primered and everything, and the fenders are gonna get molded too. So basically I'm getting everything ready behind the scenes, and next time you see it, it will be ready for paint, really. And yeah, and let me know what color you guys want to go with. I'm thinking black, really, just because it will hide some of the stuff I don't want to see. But yeah, this is the G37R, and yeah, just check it out, though. But hey, I am extremely blessed and grateful for all y'all that do subscribe to the channel. I don't monetize yet, but I'm getting really close because of you guys. So please like and subscribe. It really helps. And please watch some videos, whether they're old or new. It helps my watch hours and everything. So yeah, but guys, I have nothing else for this video. Thank you so much for watching. The next video you see, it will be basically everything getting primered and prepped for paint. So thank you, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.